Are you looking for the best investment opportunities in 2025? Are you trying to find the next multi-bagger that'll send your portfolio into the stratosphere? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're diving headfirst into the stock market mosh pit to wrestle out the top 10 stocks that could provide significant returns this year. We're talking about companies with real momentum, real innovation, and the potential for real growth. But remember folks, investing involves risks, and it is essential to conduct a thorough analysis before making financial decisions. Do your homework. First off the rank, we've got Amazon, the 800-pound gorilla of e-commerce. This company has revolutionized the way we shop, making it possible to buy almost anything with just a few clicks. From books to groceries, Amazon has it all. This company is a beast, plain and simple. Their warehouses are marvels of modern logistics, filled with robots and workers moving in perfect harmony to get your orders out the door as quickly as possible. They've got their fingers in everything, from online retail to cloud computing with AWS, and they're showing no signs of slowing down. AWS alone is a powerhouse, providing the backbone for countless websites and services around the globe. We're talking about a company that's constantly innovating, constantly expanding, and constantly finding new ways to dominate the market. Whether it's through cutting-edge technology or new business ventures, Amazon is always pushing the envelope. They're like the Jeff Bezos of the stock market, always looking for the next big thing. Bezos himself has been a visionary leader, steering the company through uncharted waters and into new territories. And with their relentless focus on customer satisfaction and their ever-growing ecosystem of products and services, I think Amazon is well-positioned for robust growth in 2025. Their Prime membership program alone has created a loyal customer base that keeps coming back for more. This isn't just a stock, it's a bull in a china shop, and you want to be along for the ride. With their aggressive strategies and market dominance, Amazon is a force to be reckoned with in the investment world. Next up, we've got another tech titan that's been a Wall Street darling for decades, Microsoft. This company has been a cornerstone of the tech industry, consistently innovating and adapting to the ever-changing landscape. From its early days of revolutionizing personal computing to its current status as a leader in cloud services and artificial intelligence, Microsoft has shown an incredible ability to evolve and thrive. This company is like the Energizer Bunny of the tech world. It just keeps going and going. No matter the challenges or market shifts, Microsoft has managed to stay relevant and powerful. Their resilience and relentless drive for innovation have kept them at the forefront of the industry. They've got their tentacles everywhere. From operating systems with Windows, which remains the most widely used OS in the world, to productivity software with Office, a suite of tools that has become indispensable in both professional and personal settings. To cloud computing with Azure, which is a major player in the cloud services market, providing robust and scalable solutions for businesses of all sizes. And let's not forget about their gaming division, which is bigger than some countries' GDPs. The Xbox brand has become synonymous with high-quality gaming experiences and continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in the gaming world. Microsoft is a cash-generating machine, folks, and they're not afraid to spend that cash on innovation. Their strategic investments and acquisitions have allowed them to stay ahead of the curve and continue to grow their influence in various tech sectors. They're heavily invested in artificial intelligence, cloud gaming, and virtual reality, constantly exploring new frontiers and pushing the limits of technology and other cutting-edge technologies that are shaping the future. Their commitment to innovation ensures that they remain a dominant force in the tech industry. This isn't your grandpappy's Microsoft anymore. This is a lean, mean, tech-eating machine. With a focus on future technologies and a track record of success, Microsoft continues to be a powerhouse in the tech world. Now let's talk about Alphabet, the parent company of everyone's favorite search engine, Google. This company is a money-printing machine, plain and simple. They control a ridiculous share of the digital advertising market, and their search engine is so ubiquitous that it's become a verb. But Alphabet isn't just about search anymore. They're investing heavily in artificial intelligence, self-driving cars with Waymo, and other moonshot projects that could revolutionize the world. They're like the Willy Wonka of the tech world, always cooking up something new and exciting. And with their massive cash hoard and their army of brilliant engineers, I think Alphabet is well positioned to continue its dominance for years to come. Chapter 4. NVIDIA, powering the future of AI and gaming. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to talk about NVIDIA, the undisputed king of graphics processing units. These guys are the brains behind the best gaming experiences on the planet, and their GPUs are the engine driving the artificial intelligence revolution. They're like the Gordon Moore of the chip world, always pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And with the demand for AI and high-performance computing exploding, NVIDIA is sitting pretty. We're talking about a company that's at the forefront of some of the most exciting technological advancements of our time. They're not just riding the wave, they're creating it. Chapter 5. Meta Platforms. The Metaverse is calling. Next up, we've got Meta Platforms, formerly known as Facebook. Now, I know what you're thinking. Facebook? Haven't they been in hot water lately? And yeah, they've had their fair share of controversies. But here's the thing, they're still a social media behemoth with billions of users. And they're betting big on the Metaverse, which is basically the next evolution of the internet. Think virtual reality, augmented reality, and a whole lot of cool stuff that we haven't even thought of yet. It's a risky bet, no doubt, but if it pays off, Meta could be sitting on a gold mine. Chapter 6. Tesla, driving the electric revolution. Now let's talk about Tesla, the company that single-handedly made electric cars cool. Elon Musk is a visionary, a showman, and a bit of a wild card, but there's no denying that he's changed the automotive industry forever. Tesla is no longer just a car company, they're an energy company, a software company, and a technology company, all rolled into one. They're building out a massive network of superchargers, developing cutting-edge battery technology, and even dabbling in solar energy. Love him or hate him, you can't ignore Elon Musk or Tesla. They're shaking things up, and that's always good for investors. Now let's talk about a company that's not exactly a household name but is absolutely critical to the global economy, ASML Holding. These guys make the machines that make the chips, and I'm not talking about potato chips here, folks. I'm talking about the semiconductor chips that power everything from our smartphones to our cars to our refrigerators. ASML has a virtual monopoly on this technology, and they're absolutely raking in the dough. With the global chip shortage showing no signs of abating, ASML is in the driver's seat. They're calling the shots, and the rest of the tech world is just trying to keep up. Chapter 8. Accenture consulting their way to the top. Next up, we've got Accenture, a global consulting powerhouse that's helping businesses navigate the digital landscape. These guys are the go-to advisors for companies looking to streamline their operations, implement new technologies, and stay ahead of the curve. They're like the McKinsey of the digital world, smart, strategic, and always in demand. And with businesses around the world facing unprecedented disruption, Accenture is perfectly positioned to capitalize on the chaos. They're the cleanup crew, the problem solvers, the ones who come in and make sense of it all. Chapter 9. Air Liquide breathing life into the market. Now let's talk about Air Liquide, a company that's literally in the business of air. They're a leading supplier of industrial and medical gases, and they're seeing strong demand from a variety of sectors including healthcare, manufacturing, and electronics. They're like the Switzerland of the industrial world, neutral, reliable, and always in demand. And with a global presence and a diversified portfolio, Air Liquide is well positioned to weather any economic storm. They're not flashy, they're not sexy, but they're a solid investment. Chapter 10. JBS, bringing bacon to the bank. Last but not least, we've got JBS, one of the biggest meat producers in the world. This company has a massive footprint in the global meat industry, and their operations span across multiple continents. Now I know what you're thinking. Meat? Seriously? But hear me out. The meat industry is not just about steaks and burgers, it's a complex network of supply chains, logistics, and market dynamics. JBS is a global protein powerhouse, and they're benefiting from rising demand for meat products around the world. With increasing populations and rising incomes, especially in developing countries, the demand for protein is skyrocketing. They're like the Genghis Khan of the meat industry, conquering new markets and expanding their empire. Their strategic acquisitions and investments have positioned them as a dominant player. And with a diversified portfolio of products and a global footprint, JBS is well positioned to profit from the world's insatiable appetite for protein. From beef and pork to poultry and plant-based alternatives, they cover it all. So there you have it, folks, my top 10 stocks to watch in 2025. Each of these companies has unique strengths and opportunities that make them worth keeping an eye on. Remember, this is not financial advice, and you should always do your own research before investing. The stock market can be unpredictable, and it's crucial to make informed decisions. Outrow: invest smart, stay informed. These are the top 10 stocks we have highlighted for 2025. They represent a diverse range of industries and offer compelling growth potential. But remember, the stock market is a wild ride, full of twists and turns. Keep in mind that the stock market is volatile, and conducting your own research and considering your investor profile is crucial before making investment decisions. Stay informed about market trends and consult financial professionals for personalized guidance.